We're always looking for that next product, right? That one that's going to clean easier, good results, and lasts a long time. I've worked directly with my chemist in developing this product. This is Detail Studio Dress Up. This is our interior dressing and express cleaner. Leaves a satin finish, UV protection as well as anti-static. Coming up, I'm going to do a demonstration on a panel before and after of using Detail Studio Dress Up. I'm going to tape off part of this panel in here to show the difference of this from not applied to applied. Now I'm taking a microfiber towel and Detail Studio Dress Up. I'm going to couple sprays just like that, and I'm going to wipe the panel. Then I'm just going to remove the tape on here. And as you can see right there, that's the part I didn't put the dress up on. If you've got an interior of a vehicle that's not very dirty, you want to clean and protect it, this is a very quick product and easy to use. So not an overly glossy appearance, but a more of a like new look on the vehicle. We use this daily in our own shop, and I've seen this protect on surfaces for 9 or 10 weeks at least. The dash is the part that's going to collect the most dust. And there's quite a bit of dust in this dash, so we're going to take the dress up and do the same thing. Just a couple of sprays in the microfiber, wipe the panel down. It goes on evenly, and a little bit of this goes a long ways. And after I'm done wiping this down, I'll show you the dust that was collected onto this microfiber. And it's pretty dusty, so yeah, this is a very easy way to get your car looking, have a new appearance, and do this at home. And why not do that with a product that's safe for your interior? And look at this, I'm going to rub my hands across this, and there's no oily residue that comes off. It dries very quickly. I'll have the link in the description on where to get this product. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like so other people can find out about this product. If you have questions or want to know about other products, we have a whole lot more products. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.